Hello everyone, and welcome back to Event Channel. Today, we're covering a dramatic and terrifying event unfolding in France as yet another massive hailstorm strikes the nation. This isn't just your average hailstorm. Giant hailstones, some as big as stones, are falling from the sky, causing widespread destruction and panic across the country. As the hailstorm hit, people were caught off guard, running for shelter to protect themselves from the violent downpour. Cars were damaged, windows shattered, and rooftops were severely dented by the relentless hailstones. Scenes of chaos have erupted as people scramble to find safety, with many taking cover under awnings, inside shops, or even in their cars. The hailstones are so large and powerful that they're not just causing cosmetic damage, they're destroying everything in their path, including crops, vehicles, and buildings. Emergency services are overwhelmed, responding to numerous calls for help as the destruction continues. Videos circulating on social media show the terrifying scale of the storm, with streets littered with debris and flooded with water.
Ce grêlon il fait entre 9 et 10 cm et on est
This hailstorm is a stark reminder of the increasing unpredictability of our weather patterns, raising concerns about the future. As France grapples with yet another weather catastrophe, our thoughts are with those affected. Stay safe, seek shelter, and avoid traveling during these dangerous conditions. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for daily videos on current events. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.